Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cleaning and inspecting the damage so you know what you're fixing and why each tool matters. Remove dirt, then wipe with alcohol to see paint defects clearly. If paint is only scratched versus metal exposed, you'll need different steps. Gather a plunger or heat gun for small dents, sanding pads from 400 to 2000 grit, body filler if metal is deformed, and a microfiber. Once ready, begin dent removal first, so the surface is even for sanding and filling. Now remove the dent so the panel regains its shape before paintwork. If a plunger works, suction and pull. If not, heat the area then cool quickly to pop the metal. Push from behind when you can for controlled shaping. Once roughly level, sand the area starting with 400-600 grit to remove paint and shape, then refine with 800-1000 grit. If low spots persist, apply a thin layer of body filler, let it cure fully, and sand it flush so the surface is smooth and ready for primer. Finish the repair by priming and painting with care so the repair lasts and blends. Spray a light automotive primer, sand between coats with 1000-2000 grit to eliminate orange peel and ensure adhesion. Match the factory color, spray 2 to 3 thin color coats allowing flash time, then apply clear coat in even passes. After curing, polish with rubbing compound and finish with wax for shine. If you see bubbling or peeling, stop, poor prep, or contamination likely. Resand and reprime the affected area before repainting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.